Hi, welcome to Keyboard Creative Flow. Right, what I was thinking of doing. So I love this bag. I got it from TK Maxx. It's called WAIPUNA, and it's got the cutest little leaf zipper holding thing, and then it's got like compartments inside. I know it's seen better days. I think I got it wet here, but I still use it. Probably could do with a wash, to be fair. But the problem we've got is, so this is a rucksack bag. One moment. So first of all, this side has come out completely, and so has this handle, which was attached here. I know, I think I've been putting too much weight in it, to be fair. So what I was thinking of doing is just stitching this back with the sewing machine and just taking you along with it with me. I'm just going to bring this in. So yes, I'm not sure exactly how. Should I just tack everything in place and then this definitely goes here. I'm not sure if this sewing machine will actually do this, but we're going to give it a good go. And then this is going to go in here. That is my son, who is shouting to my daughter to do the cleaning, to do the dusting. Wow, so loud. Anyway, I'm just going to make sure this is the correct way. So I've got the loop there. Just make sure I'm not sewing it in the wrong way. That would be terrible. And then I'm just going to make sure this is open. So I don't know if I do need to open this section. Ugh. It's going to be hard to keep everything in place, isn't it? I hope you guys are doing all right. Right, we're going to go for it. So, and this is a slightly different colour to what's already on here as well, so I'm hoping it won't look too crazy on here. We're gonna just go slowly and try this. Just drop that. You are in there, aren't you? Don't you be coming out on me once I've stitched everything. Stay where you are. On this side as well. Hopefully this will do the trick. Hoping it will. So here's my footer. I'm going to step on the pedal. Oh god, it's not liking that. It's quite thick material. Oh, it's doing something. That's good. It's a good sign. Yeah, I'm just double checking it that it's all threaded properly. Okay, I'm going to pop that in and just make sure this side is still in. Okay, we're good to go. Let's press that again. I'm just going to move the zip out the way. And I'm hoping it is doing it from behind. Isn't it awful if you you've got a favourite bag or a favourite jumper or something, and then, yeah, if we can fix it, it's better to mend things than buy new, really. And this is just like that perfect size of bag as well. Just going back. Just going back and forth to make sure this doesn't come out again. And just push that in, make sure that's fully in. And this will be the hard bit because it's... There we go. I'm just going to go reverse. Forward, and forward. I might just carry on a bit more. Actually, shall we just go around the whole of this, just so the thread matches as well? Might as well. Seeing as we've got this out, why not? Just going to lift that and then turn the bag and pop it back down. Down, and then I'm going to lift and turn, make sure nothing's underneath, and then drop the footer again. I think it's messy at the back. Gotta warn you. I might bring it all the way back around this side as well. Oh no, the zipper. Oof. Okay, we're just going to reverse. Oh gosh, I made a mess of that now. Let me just turn that around. What I do is just reverse back. And come back forward. And then we're going to turn a final time. And then meet where we started. And then we're going to stop here, just lift that out, lift the footer, and then slide this out, grab the scissors, and just get rid of any threads. I'm a bit scared to look on the other side because I think it is pure mess. Oh, yeah, that's the other side. Oh, it's not as bad as I thought. I thought this was going to be a bit worse than that. So that's not too bad. That can stay there. I think I did my mum proud, eh? Okay, does it work? That's the question. Let's close this zip. Can hold it from here, which is good. And then, oh sorry, and then both of the rucksack bits are attached as well. Fantastic. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that short video, and go mend things. Go mend all your broken things. Take care for now. Bye.